So guys, today we're making this amazing pizza without oven. This turned out super delicious, and if you're a pizza lover that you don't have oven, that's the best recipe for you. You're going to love it. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I added in flour, powdered milk, which is totally optional. I added in sugar, dry active yeast. I then stir until everything has come together. Then I created a space in the middle. I added in oil, olive oil, and water, warm water. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. Lastly, I added in salt. I then stir until everything has come together, and then I knead it. So make sure you have time for it. Knead it for about 5 minutes. Sprinkle a little bit of olive oil, transfer it back to your bowl, cover it, and then let it rest for at least 1 hour until it has doubled, or until it has doubled in size. So you can go ahead with the tomato sauce. In a mixing bowl, I added in tomato puree, I added in fresh oregano, some shrimp powder, all-purpose seasoning, which is Italian herbs, and then salt. I then stir until everything has come together, and then I kept it aside. So once the dough has doubled in size, I transfer it back on my working surface, and then I divided it into two equal parts. Now sprinkle flour on your pan, on your frying pan. Make sure you do that, if not it will stick to the pan whilst it's done. So sprinkle flour on it, and then spread about 2 or 3 tablespoons of the tomato sauce on it. Make sure you spread it well, and then go in with the cheese. So basically that's simple, it is easy recipe, and you're good to go. If you don't have oven, you can do it this way, and trust me, you're going to love it. So for the topping, you can use any protein of your choice. I went in for sausage and some tuna. I added in sliced onion and green bell pepper as well. So that's it, guys. I went in for more cheese, and then I added in dry cheese, Parmigiano cheese, which makes it more delicious. So when done, all you have to do is transfer it on the fire. And make sure you don't have a lot of fire in it, if not it will get burned at the bottom of the pan. So not that much, like just be checking it, and then if it's too high, just have to take out some of the charcoal, and then cover it, let it cook slowly until it is done cooking. Guys, I just raised it for you to see that the charcoal was not enough, the fire was not too much, so don't make it too much. And guys, this is it, guys. It's simple, easy, great to hear. All you have to do is stay close to it and keep checking, especially the fire. I hope you really enjoyed watching it. Please don't forget to like and share. Bye bye.